Before starting any work, ensure you're wearing appropriate PPE for the task. Affinity Plastic Filler is an extremely flexible filler designed for the robust finishing of repairs and imperfections found in damaged plastic substrates. This demonstration shows how flexible the filler remains even once cured. Clean the surface with a waterborne degreaser and pre-cleaning cloth. With the head of the mixing board closest to the body, mix the required amount of filler with 2% of the supplied hardener. This is the optimal amount when the ambient temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. For a temperature of 10 degrees, use 3%, and for a temperature of 30 degrees, use 1% hardener. Never place the hardener directly onto the filler because as soon as this happens, the working time begins. This product has a working time of 6 minutes at 20 degrees Celsius. Mix the filler as shown towards the body so that the sheets don't peel off and without the spreader leaving the board, as lifting the filler could cause air pockets within the mix and lead to pinholing later in the repair. Always make sure the hardener has been fully mixed into the filler before commencing the application. Begin the application by wetting up the panel. Apply the filler to the whole surface to be repaired before removing it and placing it back on the mixing board. This process removes dust particles from the surface which still remained after the cleaning with degreasers. This process leaves a residue which increases adhesion and decreases the likelihood of pinholing. The filler can now be applied. Always apply using the flat side of the spreader and hold as shown. This ensures the optimum amount of pressure on the filler to achieve a smooth finish and to minimize the chances of air pocket inclusions. Apply filler to the whole area in small amounts, then use the spreader to manipulate the filler to the correct profile. Affinity Plastic Filler is sandable after 17 minutes. Once dry, apply dry guide coat to the repair area to highlight any imperfections or areas that will require extra attention when sanding. Use a dust extraction block with a P80 strip to sand the repair to the correct profile. Then finish with a P180 strip to take the repair to the pre-paint stage.